In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an embedded form in Mailerlite. Whether you're starting a newsletter or looking to grow your subscription list, creating an effective embedded form is a great way to engage your audience. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Mailerlite's website. Once there, you'll want to log into your existing account. Click the Login button at the top right corner of the page. If you have your Mailerlite account connected with Google, just click on Sign in with Google to make your login process even smoother. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Mailerlite dashboard. From here, look towards the menu and click on Forms. This will take you to the section where we can start creating our forms. Now click on the Create Form button. A new page will open presenting different form types. Choose the embedded form option to create a form that you can insert directly into your website layout. The next step is to name your form. Picking a descriptive name can be very helpful, especially if you plan to create multiple forms in the future. Once you've decided on a name, click Save and Continue. This will lead you to the group selection page. There you'll choose which subscriber group you want your new form submissions to be added to. Simply select the appropriate group and hit Continue. Moving on, you'll enter the form editor, a space where customization happens. Here you have several options to tailor your form to fit your website's aesthetic. Begin by editing the background. Give it a look and feel that complements your brand. Next, you might want to adjust the form itself, ensuring that the fields fit the information you need from your subscribers. You can then refine the content style to match your website's typography and color scheme. Fine-tuning the form elements allows for even more personalization. Tweak the elements so that they align with your specific needs. Finally, edit the button to make it both appealing and intuitive for users to submit their information. Once you've got everything looking just right, click on Done Editing. This will save your customized design and bring us close to the finish line. The final page is the overview, and now you can see the embed code for your form. Here, you'll simply copy the provided code. You'll need to paste this snippet into the HTML of your website where you want the form to appear. And there you have it, your form is ready to capture new subscribers effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create a beautiful and functional embedded form in Mailerlite. Don't forget to test out your new form to ensure it's working properly. Happy emailing!